Okay. Good afternoon, class.
Good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon, sir.
Okay, let me check my camera. Okay, everybody, are you seeing my face clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, class, yesterday we learned about simple past. So, in this class, I will teach you simple present and how to change simple present into simple past and how to change simple past into simple present. That thing also I will teach. Okay, first thing I will let you know about simple present. And yes, good afternoon. Okay, first I will let you know about simple present, and then after how we can change simple present
Good
sentence
afternoon, sir.
into simple past. That thing I will let you know. In this class we are going to know how to change simple present into simple past, and simple present sentences also we are going to learn. So everybody, are you ready for learning English?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let me
Yes,
source
sir.
my book. Okay, let me source my book. Where is it? Okay, so yes. See everybody see I have book here, okay? But what you have to do, everybody? Yes, you have to turn page number. Which page number? Okay, okay, this one. Yes. Everybody turn page number 85 of your book.
Sir, done.
Turn, okay. So Prasanna, how are you, my boy?
I'm fine, sir.
You're fine? Okay. Bijisa, what about you? Why your camera is off?
sir. There is net problem, so
Okay, fine, no problem, okay? But you have to convey before that. Okay. So now see everybody, I have made this one, okay? So now, according to screen share, I am going to teach. Okay? Noms Pandey, if, yes, is that your sister? Noms Pandey?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if she is alone, then you can keep her with you. Okay? She is not going to make trouble. Okay. Yes. Class, now I am ready for teaching you. Okay? I am ready for teaching you. Are you ready for learning?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. So now I am starting. Okay, class? So now see everybody. Again, let me tell you tense. Okay? Let me define tense, and then after only I will start. Okay? So now see everybody. Tense means time and work. Tense means what, everybody? Time and work. What, class?
Work.
Yes. Time and work.
Time and work.
Yes,
Time and
time
work.
and work. Very good. So now see everybody. Yes. Yesterday I taught you about simple past tense, and in simple past tense, what I told you? I told you to use verb to only. Okay, verb to only. So many students, you are confusion in what is verb one, what is verb two, what is verb three. But in this class, what I will make everybody, I will make you know what is verb 1, what is verb 2, what is verb 3, what is verb 4, and what is verb 5. I will let you know. But you have to give full attention to me. So everybody, do you agree to give your attention to me, class?
Yes, sir. I will agree.
Okay, you agree, very good. So now see everybody, simple present sentence. Okay, I go to school. See here everybody, this is just a sample. Okay everybody, this is just a sample. Okay, so I am going to teach all these things slowly and clearly. Okay, now see this example right now. Simple present, I go to school. Simple past tense, I went to school. Go change into went. Okay everybody. So now see everybody, go. जान्छन् जान्छ. Okay. Went गयो. Gone गइसक्यो. Going जाँदैछ. Like this, in Nepali it is changed. In English also it changed like that. Okay. So now see everybody. See here. See, whenever I have to change simple present into simple past or simple past into simple present, only we have to change verb. No need to change subject and object. Okay? जब हामीले सिम्पल प्रेजेन्टबाट सिम्पल पास्टमा र सिम्पल पास्टबाट सिम्पल प्रेजेन्टमा चेन्ज गर्दाखेरि only you have to change verb. Rest of the things no need to change. Okay class? So now see everybody, I same, go change into went, it only change. Okay? To same, school same. So see everybody, what is the change? Verb. Okay? So whenever we have to change from one form to another form, we have to change verb. Okay? Verb means doing work we have to change. Then after only it represent past tense or it represent present tense. So now see everybody, I will show you the formula and I will teach you slowly. Okay class?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon my boy. Okay.
How
Yes.
are you, sir?
I'm fine my boy, I'm teaching you. Okay, please don't interrupt. Okay class? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So now see everybody, this one. Subject plus V2 plus object which represent simple past. That one we learn. Simple past means Samanya Bhut. We learned about it yesterday and so many exercise we have done. I told you to write 20 sentences of simple past. So now here comes simple present. So now we are going to learn simple present and then after how to change sentences from simple present to simple past and simple past to simple present. That thing also I will let you know, it is exam oriented. Okay class?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So everybody, are you hearing me clearly? Is there any barrier in my sound?
No, your
Yes.
voice is
No, sir.
My voice is clear
Yeah.
over there.
Yes, sir, your voice is clear.
Okay. So class, in your side, my voice is coming louder or smaller?
Sir, your voice is
Or
coming
louder.
Okay.
Sir,
Is it
louder.
okay? Is that disturbing you or is it is clear to you?
Sir, it is clear. It is clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Very good. Now I'm starting. Okay. Yes. So now see everybody. In this class, we are going to discuss about simple present tense, which means Samanya Vartaman. Okay, whatever you do right now in this present time. Okay, in present time, whatever work performed by you in a present time, that is said to be simple present tense. Okay, simple action included in simple present tense. Okay, we include general, minor, and simple type of action. Okay. So now see, some of the students, they are not focusing right now. This is also what? Please. While teaching, please don't do such kind of activities, okay? Okay. So now see everybody, back to topic now. Okay. So formula of simple present is what everybody? Subject plus verb 1 plus object, one formula, okay? And another formula is subject plus verb 5 plus object. Now let me make it together, okay? Subject plus verb 1, verb 5 plus object, okay? According to subject, sometime we use verb 1 and according to subject, sometime we use verb 5. Where to use verb 1 and where to use verb 5, I will let you know in this class, okay class? Are you willing to learn this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So now see everybody. See here, okay? So we can where to use verb 1 and where to use verb 5, I will let you know. Okay. But see here, okay? Yes. Okay. So last time I told you what everybody? Last time I told you in third person, he, she, it or name a person, always use verb 5. Don't cover your camera. Students, they are complaining and they are turning off their camera and they are always blaming teachers. Please don't cover. whenever I speak in the time, please. Okay. So now see everybody, listen everybody, if I scold, please don't feel bad. Okay, it's my job. Understood everybody? If I see everybody, if you do some kind of mistake, and if I close my eyes, and if I tight my hand, and if I don't respond, then after what will happen everybody? You will motivate yourself to do lots of mistake. So that I scold sometime. Okay class? Yes. Yes. Okay. Class see here now. Okay, where I written that one? Not here. Okay. So now see everybody, where to use verb 1 and where to use verb 5, I have written it clearly. Okay. So now see everybody, verb 1, this one, see everybody, okay, see this one, okay. Verb 1 we can use with I, we, they, you. Okay, in first person and in second person, in plural, we have to use verb 1. Verb 1 means what everybody? First form of verb. Okay, do, eat, these all are first form of verb. Okay, so now see everybody, with the help of this root word, we can create verb 4, verb 3 and verb 2. If there is no verb 1, we cannot change words. Okay, so that it is important to know where to use verb 1 and where to use verb 5. Okay, I, we, you, they. Always verb 1 in simple present. Understood class? Understood? Prasika? And okay, Asrata Lama, whatever I am explaining right now, are you getting my point? Asrata?
Yes, sir.
Okay, whatever I am explaining right now in this class, are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, be like that. Okay, so now see everybody, see here. Okay, so we can use verb 1 in I, we, they, you. See here everybody, I do my work. Okay, so now see everybody, we do, see here, we do our work. See this one, you do. Okay, you do your work. They do their work. So see everybody, we always have to use verb 1 in I, we, they, you. Okay, understood class? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, very good. Okay, so now see this part everybody, please don't look anywhere. Some of the students, see everybody, I'm not going to gesture, okay, I'm not going to point out, but some of the students, what they are doing, if you don't like to sit in my class, you are allowed to leave my class. Some of the students, okay, I'm not pointing out. Please, whenever I teach, don't look here and there. Okay, understood what I mean? Okay. So now see everybody, we can use verb 5. Verb 5 means what everybody? Verb 5 means S or ES. Okay, in verb, at the end of verb word, if there is S or ES, then after that represents, that indicates verb 5. Okay, go plus ES, goes. Do plus ES, does. Eat plus S, eats. Okay, so see everybody, ES and S represent in verb. Right? Listen everybody, verb मा चाहिँ S र ES ले सुन है यो verb मा S र ES ले के भन्छ तपाईको verb मा S र ES ले तपाईको त्यो चाहिँ simple present को verb 5 भन्छ हो हैन. See, but in noun if you use S or ES, it represent plural. So see everybody, so many students, they are confusion in noun and verb. So in noun, if there is S or ES, that represent plural word, but in verb that represent verb 5. We use that one in third person, he, she, it plus Ram, or instead of Ram, we can say Sumiran. Okay, he, she, it plus Sumiran. Sumiran is the name of girl or not? Name of person or not? In the name of person also, we have to use verb 5. Okay, so now see everybody, Sumiran eat apple. That is incorrect. Sumiran eats an apple. That is correct. Okay, Prasanna go to school. That is incorrect. Prasanna goes to school. That is correct. In the name of person, we always have to use verb 5. Okay, so now Sita Dhakal, who is using this name, I forget his name right now.
Sir, sorry.
Yes,
Saurya, sir.
Saure. Saure, where are you going, my boy? Without asking. What type of person? Okay. So now see everybody. Okay, see here everybody. Okay. So see, he does, she does, it does. Ram does, Prasanna does, Nishtal does, Nishtal works, Nishtal eats. Okay. Ojasvi goes. See, Noms sleeps. Okay. In the name of person, don't use Ram do his work. Don't say like that. Ram does his work. Ram goes to school. Okay. Ram paints his wall. Okay. So now see everybody, look at here. Okay. Now again I want to show you up. Okay. Where to go? Yes. Not going up. Yes. Okay. So now see everybody, let me show you some examples of simple past tense. I mean to say that in simple past tense we use verb to. So I'm going to show you some examples of verb to. Okay. So now see everybody, look at this line. Okay. Look at this line. Simple past. Verb to, see everybody, I have written some examples of verb to. Okay. Did, ate, talk, walk, made, ran, dance, killed, wrote, speak, etc. etc. Okay. All these are examples of verb to. Understood, class? Understood or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now, yes. So now see everybody, let me show you some examples of verb 1 and verb 5. Okay. Okay, class. Okay. So now see everybody, simple present means always either verb 1 or verb 5. Okay. Sometimes we have to use verb 1 or sometimes we have to use verb 5. According to subject, we have to use. Understood, class? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
so,
sir.
Sunishit, can you tell me some few examples of subject? What is the subject? Intense. Subject. IUV, what is the subject?
My father lives in London. My father is subject.
Yeah, very
Like
good.
that.
Yeah. And Prasanna, other. Prasanna, can you tell other example of subject, not sentence, just you need to tell subject only. What are the subject of plural? Tell me. I, we, you, they, like that.
What
What is the subject? In front of, yes, see everybody, in front of sentence, what we use? I, we, they, you, these all are subject. Listen everybody, subject is what everybody? Subject is work doer. काम गर्ने मान्छे, that is subject. Okay? So see everybody, I is subject, you is subject, we is subject, all the pronouns word, they are subject. Okay, sometimes nouns come at first. That nouns also represent subject. Understood everybody? I, we, they, you, he, she, it, all these are subject. With the help of it, we can create sentence. If there is no subject, then after we don't know who is doing work. यदि त्यहाँ सब्जेक्ट हुँदैन भने कसले काम गरिरहेछ हामीलाई थाहा हुँदैन. Therefore, subject always perform the work. So, what subject do everybody? Nishal? Nishal,
Yes,
what subject do? Subject always perform the work. Okay? Subject always perform the work. Okay? Without subject, we cannot think tense. Because it is what everybody? It is useless. Okay? It's difficult to know who is performing work. So that we have to know subject. Understood, class? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so now see everybody, see here everybody. I do, we do, you do, they do. Okay? With this subject, with this I, with this we, with this you, with this they, we can start sentence. So subject is a word from where we can start our own sentence and make it readable. Understood everybody?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now see everybody look at here. Okay, verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, verb 4, verb 5. Okay. So in this class, we have to know about what everybody? We have to know about verb 2. Verb 2 means simple past. And we have to know about verb 1, which means simple present. And verb 5 also represent simple present. So verb 1, verb 5, simple present. Verb 2 always simple past. Listen to me, okay? Listen to me once more. Verb 2 सधैँभरि simple past मा use हुन्छ. Verb 1 and verb 5 सधैँभरि simple present मा use हुन्छ. So simple present means verb 1 and verb 5 and simple past means verb 2. Okay? No need to say subject object like this. Always remember verb. Because in sentences, whenever we have to change, in the time, we have to change verb. So why should we remember subject and object? In each sentences of English, there is subject and object. But main thing here is, we have to remember verb. Formation of verb. Understood, Binod, what I am saying? You are getting my point or not? Binod Raut? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now see everybody, do. Okay, see this one. Do, did. Okay. Do, did, done, doing, does. Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, verb 4, verb 5. Okay. So now see everybody, look down. Okay. Look down. So verb change like this. Verb 4 means always ing. And verb 5 means always es or s. Okay? And verb 1 is same. And verb 2 slightly different. Sometimes words change. Sometimes what everybody is spelling change. Okay? So now see everybody. Eat, ate, eaten, eating, eats. Go, went, gone, going, goes. Write, wrote, written, writing, writes. Okay, like this. If you know this, if you know the table of verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, verb 4, verb 5, then after it will be more easier for you to learn. If you don't know, okay, in your home, if you don't search, then after I will say nothing. Okay, everybody understood this one or not? Whatever I taught you right now, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait a second, okay? Wait me out. Let me increase the word. Okay, let me increase into 36. Okay, here. Okay. Change the following sentences sentences into s dot past. Okay, so now see everybody, I'm going to write some sentences and I'm going to ask some student, you have to change these sentences into simple past tense. I'm going to write sentences in simple present. You have to change that one in simple past. First, I will write myself to make you understood, and then after your turn. Okay, class? So now see everybody, I go to school. Don't move, okay, class? I go to school like this. So now see, yes. So now see everybody, I'm going to change these sentences. Okay. So now see everybody, I'm going to change this go only. Rest of them are same. No need to change rest of them. No need to change subject and object. Only change verb. We have to change verb only. Okay, class. So now see everybody, look at here now. Okay. I go to school. I went to school. School. Okay. So see everybody, I go to school is simple present because here is subject plus V1 plus object. Okay. And second one is verb 2. This one is simple present. So like this way we have to change sentences simple past into simple present or simple present into simple past. Okay. So now again I am going to write another example. Okay, class? Where is that one? Okay, not this one.
Then ask me again.
Okay. So now see everybody, he paints, he paints the he paints the wow. Okay. So Prasanna Gimire, can you change this sentence into simple past? He paints. Paints means verb 5. Okay. Paint become paints. So now you need to change into verb 5. But I mean to say simple past. Vinod Rawat, what are you doing? Prasanna, start tell now. Start telling. Start giving answer. Change this sentence.
My net was gone. So what were you training about?
I cannot repeat. Okay, I can't repeat. If I repeat, then after it will take time. Okay, only 9 minutes left.
Okay, sir. You can explain me to that also.
I'm going to send video. Okay, okay, understood, and you can see from there. Understood or not?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
so,
sir.
He paints paints the wall. Okay. Everybody see here. He paints the wall. Paints paints means what, everybody? Paints means verb 5. Okay. So now we have to make paints. We have to change paints into painted. Paints represent verb 5. Painted represent verb 2. So now here we have to change sentences here. Okay. So now see, Prasanna, do you want to try this one? Change it now. Try it. Sunichit. Right. Okay, Sunichit, Prasanna is taking time, so you try. If student take time.
He painted the wall.
Okay.
He painted the wall.
Very good, very good. Nice brain. He painted. Paints verb 5, painted verb 2. Okay, he painted the wall. Okay, so now see everybody, he is same, his subject is same and object is same. Only thing change is that verb we need to change. So verb always change whenever we change tense. Okay, understood class? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now another one I'm writing. They okay, so now see everybody, they kill the dog. So they see everybody, for they what we have to use, they is plural. So we have to use verb 5 in verb 1 in simple present. So now this sentence is in simple present. We have to change this one in simple past. Okay, they kill the dog. Anybody interested to change this one? You can raise your hand. Okay, try it now.
For me.
Before who said me, shut up. Before who tell me, sir, me, that person will tell.
I killed.
Okay, start now.
They killed the dog.
Okay, they killed, K-I-L-L-E-D, killed the dog. Okay, so now see everybody, kill become killed. Okay, kill, killed, killed, killing, kills. Okay, verb 2 and verb 3 are same. Kill, killed, killed, killing, kills. Understood everybody? Understood or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm going to write 4 number, okay?
That is how.
Okay.
This sentence is verb 5.
Very good. Okay. So now change yes, Norms Pandey change this sentence into simple past. She loves her friend.
She loves her friend.
You need to change only words. Norms Pandey, listen to me. Loves. She loved.
Yes, sir.
Yes, loved, loving, loves. So verb 1 and verb 2 and verb 3 same. Ed. Okay. So now change this sentence.
Love. E-E-D. Loved.
Very good. She.
Loved.
Yes. She. L-O-V-E-D. She loved her. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Not D-S-D. Okay. So now see everybody. She loves her friend. She loved her friend. Loves change into loved. Verb 5 change into verb 2. Okay. Like this way we have to change verb. Understood or not, class? Okay. Now I'm going to write another example. Okay. P-E. Okay, not like this. Okay, write like this. So this one, who wants to change this one? Raise your hand. Nishal. Nishal, do you want to try this one? People speak E-N-G-L-S. People speak English. Change this sentence into simple past. People means plural or not? In plural, we have to write verb 1. Okay? Person is singular 1. People is plural 1. So plural, we have to use verb 1. So now, this sentence, we have to change into simple past. Speak become spoke. Speak, spoke, spoken, speaking, speaks. Now, who wants to try this one? Nishal, do you want to try?
Yes, sir.
Okay, try it now.
People spoke English.
Very good, Nishal. Okay. P-E-O-P-L, people. S-P-O-K-E, spoke. E-N-G-L-I-S. People spoke English. Okay? Speak become spoke. Speak represent verb 1 and spoke represent verb 2. Okay? Verb 2 means simple past tense and verb 1, verb 5 means simple present tense. Understood everybody? Understood or not, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood. Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. So now, see, okay, not like this. Question, okay, 6. She cooks her
Excuse me,
meal.
sir.
Yes. Do you want to try this one?
This is verb 5. This is verb 5, sir. I'm already trying. So
Yeah.
let my friends.
Okay. Anybody interested to change this sentence? Prasanna Gimire, do you want to try? Try this one. Change this one into simple past. She cooks her meal. See everybody, cook, cooked, cooked, cooking, cooks. Ed, verb 2 and verb 3. Now change it.